Okay, I don't know, it's evening time. I don't remember what time this morning, probably about 10, 11 o'clock we glued all these. So they should be in good condition. And we'll get them all taken apart. What it looks like. I need to do a little bit of cleanup here and here, and then I'll glue it, and we'll have a couple different glues. The outside pieces, I will see. I need to trim that one, need to trim that one. Those two need to glue actually. And then we'll see how it works. But there you go. And keep in mind it's not cleaned up yet. I've decided to try to go ahead and grade it, get it to a size now for its final glue, turn it into a final glue, but I needed it to be bigger. And so cutting these, what I did was I staggered them. We got two here and then one in the middle. Two here, one in the middle. That's going to give it its durability and its strength. And then once you get it all glued up, then that should be good. It should lock easy, hold together well. And let's see how that works. So it's got glue on it. I want to keep cleaning it. I have a lot of things like this. I'll put them in Ziploc bags. That way when I get ready to use them again, they're able to be used. They're still soft. They're still full of glue. And that way I don't have to keep replacing them, throwing them away, or of course continually trying to do whatever to clean them, right? Because I'm lazy. Haven't you just seen that yet? So there, we're good. Touch it. See, we're soft. Because I have multiple pieces in there and they're gluing end to end as well as together, I created the little jig. I'm locking it in, clamping them all down, closing it up. And so we'll see how this turns out. So basically I'll unglue it tomorrow. And hopefully pine is not a new additive to it, right? So let's break this all apart and see what we got. Now we're going to use the planer, clean up the top side. As you can see, we got nice smooth back sides. So of course you maybe can't tell, but we got some edges up here. So we're now going to run it through the planer to get it all smooth.